Plantito mga kaplantita, kahit na hindi. Guys, nandito kami ngayon at andyan na po yung si Simons, yung well drilling company. At iti-check po yung old well kung pwede pang ma-repair. Kung hindi, of course, kailangan namin pong magkaroon ng new water well. So, dito po yan, sa malapit sa road. Ayan guys, so bababa na ako. Tingnan natin kung paano ang kanilang ginagawa. So, sumunod lang po ako kasi mag-i-start pa lang kaming kumain, tumawag na ulit at papunta na raw sila dito. So, ayan, okay, lalabas na po ako guys.
Pressure, Jason. No? Huh? No? What it says. That's the gauge spot. It's still not. That ain't good. So oil pressure good the other day.
Here it's more modern to make a water well. Iba po ang paggawa dito. Magaling. It's modern. Hindi katulad po sa Pinas. Yan po yung tinatawag na balon. Pero modern po yan. Ang ginagamit po namin sa bahay ay yung sa farm. Water well. Basta sa mga farms po. Mga water well yan.
Well, how else are you gonna do it?
Good.
Hey, Jason, you'll have to go inside and all that now. Ready? Coming down.
Do you share the sheep then?
No.
It's all new. I gotta do something.
Ready?
Oh, I got enough. You guys got crops here in another couple months, right? Yeah, we still fatting out cattle. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. We buy.
There? No more. Whoa.
We buy all those Marshall full calves. So we get about 30 to
Look it up.
30 some head a month. Calves coming in.
What do you do? Take them down to the auction?
We patent them out and then take them to the stockyard. We take them right up to 1,800. So.
Do you take them down to the auction? St. Louis, is it?
Normally clear and clear.
You may have to go ahead a little bit.
Oh, tingnan niyo po, may pipe. Yan po yung tubo. So, pull out po nila yan. Hindi ko alam kung papalitan nila o ano.
No,
Yan po yung water well, yung old water well.
If we're gonna just raise it up and do the roll.
Want me to get an elevator under it? I don't think you're gonna have to.
Is it an inch?
Well, get the tools out of here you need.
Okay.
Maybe it is.
They're going down, ain't it?
Pick out your tools.
I'll get my tools.
So they're gonna pull that pipe, yeah?
Yeah, they're pulling the pipe out of the ground.
Oh, and then they're gonna change it. So yan guys, it was pulled up na. Tingnan niyo po, oh. Ewan ko ilang feet. Luma na kasi yan eh. So nakita nyo kanina, nasa baba yan. So aayusin po yan nila, yung parang salaan daw yung screen sa baba, sa pinaka-bottom, yun yung papalitan. So, ganyan po ang balon, water well. Okay guys, umuwi yung asawa tsaka yung anak. Yung wife tsaka anak, may kinuha yata sila na parts na hindi nila nadala. So, yan. Bali, katulad sinabi ko na i-pull na yung hindi pa fully pulled out yung pipe. So, ganun pala sa kanila. Tsaka pag nag-ano po sila, hindi po yung katulad sa atin na hinuhukay yung lupa. Hindi. Alam nila kung saang spot na pwedeng tinutuhok lang po yung tubo. So, yan na po yung machine na itutuhok lang sa lupa. Tapos kung saan mo makikita yung spot. Alam po nila kung ilang pong feet ang kailangan. Yung kung saan na ba yung pwedeng anuhin ng pinaka-end ng tubo na kung saan may tubig. Ayan. So guys, waiting lang po na kumuha po ng parts na kailangan nila. Umuwi silang mag-ina para kunin yon. So, ayan, continuation na po ng pag-pull ng pipe.
Can I pump it up and down? Yeah, pull it out, okay?
Portion lang po palang paghila nila. Ayun. Kasi dugtong-dugtong pala yan eh. Ang lalim po ano. So pangalawa na po yan. Second pipe na po yan. Hindi ko alam kung ilang feet yan. Ang lalim pala no.
Okay. Listen.
Akala ko yun lang po yung una. Sabi ko parang ang babaw.
Okay, Cal. Jason, can you hold that right there? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna let the elevator down. You gotta take it off. Kind of self-explanatory. Everything that, yeah. Okay. Let it come over here. Jason, you got that chain in there? Got a whole bottom of it. they're outside.
There's one more, Cal?
Watch your head up here. We're gonna come away the window.
Ba? Ilang feet kaya yan? Ang haba ng pipe po. May dugtong yata. Asan yung dugtong? Oh, over there. I think may dugtong.
I watch your cycle. Up!
Lalagay na ulit sa ground. Yan guys, ipo-push down naman. Push down yung pipe. Okay guys, after one day continuation, inalis na po yan. So, ito pong isa nilang ayun pala yung malalaking pipe. Hello guys, good afternoon, magandang hapon, mayong hapon. Okay. Ayan, medyo halfway na ako ng tubig. Pakita ko po sa inyo ha. Huwag lang masyadong open kasi mabibigla. Okay, ganyan lang. Tapos, tanggalin ko yan. Isauli ko to. Sandali lang at kailangan kong ilapag ang aking balde. Lapag muna natin siya dito sa malinis. Yan. Okay. So ngayon, sauli ko po itong hose kasi pinupuno po yung dalawang water tub nila. Yan.